it's Pay. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back and I'm going to be bringing more content, makeup, how to start a small business, how to maintain a small business, how to grow your social media, and honestly, a lot of lifestyle. So if you're ready to watch me do stuff and post on YouTube, you can comment and subscribe and give me tips on more videos to do. Alrighty, so this is going to be a quick look, especially for beginners, on how to do a natural makeup look, a neutral makeup look without using a lot of product and without any powder, because I don't like powder. So this is how it's gonna turn out, so stay tuned. The products I will be using in this video, the complexion products and the eyeshadows and the lip glosses, are from my brand Darkskin Beauties. Today I just want to do a light natural look, so I'm going to be using Rich Chocolate in the Satin hydrating concealer from my brand, and I'm just going to put it on my dark spots, and it hides it very well. You'll see right now. I'm going to blend it on my fingers and it'll look exactly like my skin, so it's not too much product and I don't have to do any hard work to blend out any orange or just have a lot of discoloration. I just have a lot of discoloration here because I can't keep my hands off my face, but I've been pretty good now, and especially my neck area, it's starting to fade, so I'm seeing progress. I'm gonna stop touching my face, so don't touch your face, guys. It is not good. Just gonna tap it into my skin and it's gonna blend right in. And this is the step that's most important when trying to achieve a natural makeup look without using as many products, is just making sure your base is as even and smooth as possible with just a concealer that matches your skin tone. All right, so in my brand, I am Espresso. So I'll just be, I think I'm gonna do one pump, so making sure it's all good. One pump, a little bit on my forehead, just like that. On my cheek. Why did I say it like that? On my cheeks, my chin, and then the at rest, I would like put it on my nose or something. This is actually a very large pump, so I wish I would have used like a 3/4 of that pump, because that was a lot of product that came with that single pump, but that's a fine. I'll just blend it out by tapping it in like this. Just tap, 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 tap. Do not rub or drag. Just tap it right into your skin. Yeah, this side is not as blended. Okay, I think it's pretty good now. And I'm gonna take, basically there's a little bit of product left, but just take that and rub it on my eyelid just like this, so then my whole face is basically one color. Now I'm gonna highlight with my concealer, my matte concealer, in the shade Deep Chestnut, and it is a yellow shade. I'm gonna need to use my mirror because I'm not sure where to place it. So right here, just a little bit. So usually I would drag it all the way here, but today I'm gonna do just up here, just so it's more natural.
Alrighty, the bridge of my nose. Make sure I don't put as much product as I usually would if I was doing like a full, snatched look. And then right here. So
Let me draw a heart. I love when people draw hearts. The best I could. Kind of shabby. Not the best looking heart. I'm out here playing. This dries pretty quickly. Let me not play. Alrighty. It's cute though. My favorite new product from my brand is my diamond blender. It comes in this cute case. It has all these angles, so it fits perfectly. Great for the nose contours. It's flat side. Great nose contour, nose highlight, and contour. And the flat side to blend out your forehead, your chins, and the rest of your face. I'm gonna slightly damp it. All right, so it's slightly damp. Let me get in closer, let's see. Take it out, brand new, all the points, all the angles. Yep, this is how I use it. I place it right underneath, right here. Then I tap, 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 and slightly drag upwards towards my temple like this. See? And then since it's angled already, use a more precision just to draw my eye up. So tap, 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 tap into my skin. And it does not remove as much product. That's another thing. So before the Jaffe Beauty's diamond blender, I did not like using, look at the difference. I did not like using, I hope it wouldn't cover my face, but I did not like using sponges, especially for my under eye, because it would just pick up all the product, and that defeats the point of me putting on the product. So I'm clearly a big fan of this. And then let me do this quickly, and then I'll show you exactly how it works for the nose highlight.
So make sure I'm not blocking. Press it in, tap, tap, tap. It's angled so well. So good. And I love it. I love it. Definitely my new favorite product in my brand. So good. Precision, 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 precision. Alrighty. Use it right here just to blend it in.
I love it. I love it. Place it right on my nose like this, and then I kind of just wiggle it. I wiggle it up and down like this, and then I wiggle back and forth like this. I take a look down in my mirror to see how I should drag it up and down, slightly wiggling it like this, just to blend out. And then I take it a little bit to the sides, just like that, and just like that. My nose highlight is basically blended, and then when I'm going in with my contour, I'll perfect it again. But as of right now, we're just gonna keep it like this. And now the flatter, I guess that the parts of my face that I would use the flat end for, my forehead and my chin, this kind of dried a little bit. I might need a lot more water because it dried, but let's see how it works with the dried. Yep. Push it in, push, 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 push. You know, the trick of letting your concealer dry a little bit was you keep more of the coverage even after you blend it out. So that's the trick. And I accidentally did it right now. I usually don't do that. I usually don't let my concealer dry, but I did, and it still did a wonderful job blending out my chin. It looks good. It looks real good. I don't know what it looked like from there, but in this mirror, it looks good. That's what is best when you're going for a natural look, is to be more bronzed rather than contoured. So we're just gonna place it slightly on the highs of my cheek, on my cheekbones, just like this. Just slightly like that. See, it's not too dark compared to my skin, so it's not gonna be a dramatic contouring. It's more of a bronzer, just like this. My hand's not very straight, but okay, let me use a brush on this side, and then I'll use the sponge to contour on this side.
Naming tools. Yeah, it's very natural bronze too. Not too much, and definitely not too little. So just tap, 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 but I'm going upwards. Bring it up. Right.
For my nose, so I would use this same, and clearly there would be product left over here, and I would just do this from my eyebrow to my nose like that. So it's not as much product. Honestly, it's barely any product, but you can slightly see a difference, and it gives my nose more definition, more texture. Okay. Alrighty, drag up, drag up. Okay. I'm looking on here, and it looks good from this side. I don't know what it looked like there. And then I'm gonna try, I don't wanna block my face, so I'm gonna try like this for the temple, dragging it down. and into or towards my eyebrow, into my, so I'm gonna use the flat end to blend those two colors better.
Same for my jaw and chin.
Maybe I should have used a different one. I used the same one that I used to highlight. I didn't think that far. But next time I will have a designated diamond sponge for highlighting and a designated diamond sponge or diamond blender for contour. So then I can really see, because I feel like this kind of dulled the bronzer or the contour. But on the nose part, I see it more. Do you see it? On this nose, you can see more of the color. This one is more, I think I like this one better, and I'm gonna match it, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the flat end like this. Just wiggle a little bit. Since I'm not gonna use powder, it's very important for me to use a fix-it spray. No, it has a setting. Fix-it spray. This is a setting spray. So I'm just gonna not drench myself in it, but drench myself in it, because I don't use powders. I think that's another way to make your makeup look more natural, was not using powders, but sticking with setting and fixing sprays that will melt everything together. Okay, I think I'm satisfied. Well, the one I use is very used. Cocoa palette, browns, neutrals, a bit of a yellow on the right here is a little bit of yellow, lighter browns, darker browns, more reddish browns, oranges, just for actually the perfect fall palette. This brown right here, it's about my skin tone, yeah, but it's a little, I'm pretty sure it's a little lighter than my skin tone.
Start going like this. Nothing too crazy or too bold. So for beginners, remember, use a lighter brown. Keep it into my corner like that. Okay. Blend it out a little bit more up here. Just like that.
This one right here, tap it just a little bit though, because this one is very dark, and I just want to put it right here at the outer V of my eye and drag it up, 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 up. So from here, the very edge of my eye, right where my eyeball kind of ends, tap, 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 and then drag it up like that, and then make a V like this. So my hair is covering, oh my gosh. But yeah, so here, 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 here. I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm gonna put it in between those two shades right here. So just like this. Now it'll be like my blending, honestly. Just like that. So it's not much. I didn't put much, but now I'm gonna put more. Yeah. I use the eyebrow pencil from Draft Beauties, duh.
And comes with this glitter about it. And precise. And then it's fully
Dark brown, so I use slightly, and I use small strokes like this. I don't draw, don't do that. Oh Lord, I'm out here messing up. I can't talk and do this, but just watch what I'm doing. I might do a voiceover after this. Small strokes to form the shape like this.
small strokes, and then I fill it in with even smaller strokes. This. This part, open up, and draw. Okay, and now we're going upwards. Up, 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 up. Small strokes.
All right, and then I'm gonna use Pennine and the inner my lips, or whatever you call it. She's a pink nude. I'm gonna use Ifia, and she's a gold, rose gold, sparkling, just like that. think that goes pretty well with my dress. So I think that's the look. So I was going for, and yeah. So stay tuned. Bye.